welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about the MoonClimber case for the iPhone 13 series. This is by Torras. This is a great case to accentuate the look of your phone while also adding functionality and providing excellent shockproof protection. So let's pull it out here and take a look at it. Now you can see right away you've got that crystal clear, beautiful design so that your iPhone can shine through. You bought the phone, you chose the color you wanted. This is not going to hide any of the beauty of your iPhone. It's going to let it all shine through while protecting it. Now this case has a hard PC back and then soft TPU bumper around the outside. This has a diamond antioxidant material that is anti-yellowing, so you don't have to worry about your case yellowing over time. You've had those cheap cases that over time the clear isn't so clear, it becomes yellow, and this is not like that. This will stay crystal clear. It does have a protective film over it, and I'm going to leave that over it for now. No, I'll take it off because you need to see it in all its glory. So I'm going to take that off so you can really see exactly how crystal clear that is and how you can see right through that. If I hold that up to the camera, you can just see right, look at that. You can see straight through that as if it isn't even there and it's covering the lens. That's how crystal clear this is. Really, really nice. And you've also got great protection. In the corners here, you've got these little X shock absorbers. You can see those. Now that provides the protection you need because obviously corners are the most dangerous place when you drop your phone. But these nice X shockproof bumpers will protect your phone in case of a drop. So that's another excellent thing about this case. This case is also very, very slim, very thin, won't add a lot of bulk to your phone, but at the same time gives you protection and cool functionality. Let's talk about the kickstand. That is one of the obvious reasons to get this case. It's this nice metal built-in kickstand, really high quality material, great hinge. This is going to last you a long time, probably as long as you have your phone. You're not going to have to worry about this giving out or not working. When it's folded, I love it. It's nice and flush with a bumper around it. That's about the same as the bumper to protect your camera. And when you open it up, it allows you to stand the phone in several different ways. You can stand it this direction, which gives you one angle. You can put it this direction, which gives you a little bit more of a straight at you angle. Or you can also prop it up this way. So great for video chatting, Zoom meetings, WhatsApp, all that good stuff. Or if you're watching a movie on a plane or something, you can use this to do that, watch YouTube without having to hold it. Kickstand works great and is really a great asset. In addition, you do have these slightly raised lips, 1 millimeter raised lips that protect your camera as well as your screen. Slightly raised bezel around the screen. You also have all the buttons that you need. Right here you've got covers over your volume rocker, easy to access those, as well as a cutout for the privacy mode. You've also got a nice cover for your power button over here, and then on the bottom you've got all the cutouts you need for your lightning port and your speakers. Everything you need is right there. This is a really cool case. I love it because it protects your iPhone. It allows the beauty of the iPhone to shine through without hiding it. Since you spent all that money and picked out the one you wanted, you can still see it clearly and beautifully. Also, you've got great protection with the X-bumps, shockproof X bumpers on the corners, as well as the slightly raised bezels, and then you've got extra functionality because now you have this great kickstand, which allows you to use your phone in ways that you maybe wouldn't be able to use without that kickstand. So again, this is the MoonClimber case by Torras, and really an excellent, beautiful case for your iPhone 13 series phone.